Just a few years back, they hit out at the UPA for being allied to Shibu Soren. Today, in the latest example of how Indian politicians are never permanent enemies, the BJP seems to be on the verge of stitching together a coalition with the JMM's Shibu Soren, though it's unclear if the BJP will be part of the government or support Soren from the outside.
The first confirmation from Jharkhand that the JMM and BJP are close to stitching together a government after a hung verdict.
JMM सरकार बनाने के दहलीज पर पहुंच चुकी है और हमको लगता है राजहित में अस्थाई सरकार के लिए लगता है कि यहाँ बीजेपी और जेएमएम मिलकर के सरकार बनाएगी।
भारतीय जनता पार्टी इस जिम्मेदारी को समझती है और इसलिए सारे विकल्प खोलकर जो कुछ बन सकता है उसके लिए प्रयास करेंगे।
मतलब सरकार में प्रयास करेंगे। But despite public statements, BJP sources are more guarded. They say the deal is not final yet. The party's Jharkhand unit was divided over going with Soren. Leaders like Yashwant Sinha and Arjun Monda, both aspirants for the Chief Minister's chair, were not keen. More because the tie-up will mean Soren becomes Chief Minister and there is nothing in the deal for them. Rajnath and Anant Kumar are now being rushed to Ranchi. In its rush to rule a state, the BJP is forgetting its past.
This gentleman was convicted was removed from the cabinet when he was arrested in Jharkhand for a murder case. Today he is convicted in another murder case. You have a series of murder cases against you and the Prime Minister abused his prerogative to induct him into the cabinet. The whole issue of tainted ministers and the misuse of the prerogative by the Prime Minister is back on the centre stage agenda of Indian politics and parliament.
This was 3 years ago. Shibu Soren was in Manmohan Singh's cabinet, but now he has 18 MLAs. With his support, BJP can rule Jharkhand. Shibu's taint is forgotten and Soren is ignoring the colour of BJP's politics.
हम बीजेपी को आज भी संप्रदाय नहीं बोलते, पहले से भी नहीं बोलते। पार्टी को बदनाम करके क्या हमारा फायदा मिलेगा?
The Congress, which had dropped Soren from the cabinet, has retreated. Backing Madhu Kora's corrupt regime brought it discredit. Now it doesn't want to back another unstable government led by volatile Soren. That is why it has outsourced the task of garnering support to ally Babulal Marandi.
और जो लोग साथ देंगे उनका हम स्वागत करेंगे.
While Jharkhand waits for Shibu to announce his next move, waiting on the sidelines are 11 independents. With cabinet berths up for grabs, they are waiting to say yes to any formation. With Alok Pandey in Ranchi, Rahul Srivastava for NDTV.
Tuba.com